Welcome back to another exciting episode of Tech Force. Today we're taking a look at the Xgimi Halo Projector. But before we can start the review, we have to roll the intro, so let's go! Into the box we go, and here we have the warranty card, a FAQ card, that is a frequently asked questions card. Here's the user guide, the app installation guide, a charging plug and cable, the projector remote, and the Xgimi Halo Projector itself. Setting up this projector is extremely easy. Basically, all you need to do is find a flat surface and point it at a wall or a screen. It handles everything itself. Occasionally, the focus is a little soft in one of the corners, and this means all you have to do is move it or set it up again and move the projector slightly, and it will reconfigure almost instantly to get the picture back in shape. It's a very little clever thing, this. Xgimi has added one useful safety feature here, and it is an automatic cutout that kicks in if it detects an object, specifically a person entering the frame. This is a sensible safeguard, particularly useful if you have pets or children that might be tempted to look straight into the lens. Don't look into the lens, it's too bright! Considering this unit's size, the sound is powerful. There's no getting away from the fact that you're not working with a full surround system here, but it does help if you place the projector in front of you or just behind you, rather than off to one side. And if you get this positioning just right, the audio is powerful, weighty and clear, and also immersive. It copes well with music and subtle textures, as well as the big booms and bang 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 bangs of action movies. So all in all, great sound for a portable unit. It has a 1920 by 1080 image that looks better at 30 inches than it does at 200 inches. And while HDR10 is supported, it serves more as a bullet point on a spec sheet than anything else you'll notice during viewing. The movies and shows look crisp and detailed with enjoyable natural color on both cinema and vivid settings. Colors are also rich and smooth. Such a tiny unit with a footprint of just 118 by 107 millimeters is no larger than some Bluetooth speakers, which makes it perfect for traveling. Pop it in a bag and off you go. And it can also be powered with a USB-C power bank, so this is great for travel, for camping, anywhere you want to take your portable cinema with you. This is the unit for you. Unfortunately, it lacks some key apps you would expect from a device that streams. Yes, it has YouTube, Amazon, YouTube, and Netflix. The reason I said it has YouTube twice is so that you can watch Tech Force on it. And then it doesn't have things like Disney and other ones you might expect. But as long as you can watch Tech Force on it, all is well. Then, it struggles with dark scenes. It struggles to articulate dark or dimly lit scenes. So if you have anything in the way of an ambient light on in the room, switching to a bright setting helps, but then it also raises the black level, so you don't actually gain much in the way of contrast. If there are scenes at night, you're going to struggle to see the detail in those scenes that you might be watching in a movie, a TV show, something like that. It's that time. It's the time you go over and click the like and subscribe button. Go on, project your image on us that you appreciate us, and show us some love by clicking the like, the subscribe, and then that bell icon. Go on, click it. In conclusion, the Xgimi Halo is a versatile and powerful portable projector that delivers stunning sound quality, all the while being easy to set up and use. Dark images are definitely an issue, with the small selection of apps a little bit of a problem, but as long as it's got YouTube, what else do you need? All you want to be able to do is watch us. Then the Xgimi Halo's portability and convenience make it a standout choice for those seeking the big screen experience without having to shell out cha-ching, 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 large amounts of money for slightly larger TVs. That's all we've got time for. Catch you in the next one. Bye-bye. Portable projectors. What will they think of next? Such a great idea. As long as it's got YouTube on it, and as long as you can watch Tech Force on it, what more does one need? Yippee!